holding to fine. These are mid-class action.
First, start off by pumping up a 260 white balloon. Start off by making one pinch twist and another one on the same side. Then leave an 8 cm bubble for the long part of the bone, and then end it off with another 2 pinch twists. Now you can cut out the excess part, tie a knot, and wrap it around the pinch twist. And now you're all done!
Now you got something to eat. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.